back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Daphney, but you can call me Daph. So yeah, welcome to my channel once more. And today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I think you've seen it from the title. Yeah, so I'll be showing you how I do my eyebrows, and yeah, let's do them together. And for my last video, I'm really sorry about the audio cause okay, it was a last minute thing, copyright issues, but I'll work on it on this video and you won't get that mistake again. So yeah, let's get into it. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. No. Okay, yeah. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. And then, because I have oily skin, I'm going to first set my eyebrows with powder so that they cannot shine. Yeah, don't want the shining. And then I'm going to go with my eye pencil. It's a Davis in a Kutika, but it's a Davis eye pencil color number 3. And I'm going to use my mirror here, so but I can also use that. Then fill in. And then here you do this. Okay, before I used to like extend mpaka huko, like the shikani thing, but I don't know, whichever works for you. So let's go with my silver again and blend. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see it. So let's go to her other eye. I don't know, but makeup is a process. The eyebrows can like zinaweza kosa kufanana from the start, but when you finish your makeup, they'll start looking like eyebrows, like the way you want them to look like. Yeah, okay, my lighting is bad. I don't know. But we'll just conceal and see. Because I've told you, makeup is a process. You have to have patience. If you don't have patience, you'll just be disappointed. So let's conceal my brows. So I'm going to use my concealer. I don't know, imefutika, but I don't know if it's Toffee or Fawn something. It's my Eyebrow Girl concealer. So So I continue blending. Okay, so this is me after blending. You can see I have blended it. So for the upper side, you can use your concealer or you can use your foundation, whichever you have. But if you want your eyebrows to pop, like to, I don't know the word, outstanding, I think to say, you can use a concealer. So I'm going to use my concealer, but you do what you think is best for you. But if you want your eyebrows to you want to up your eyebrow game, would recommend you use a concealer. We are going to blend this upper part. So you can see even if you use your concealer, it's still fine. Continue the rest of your makeup, your concealer, your eyebrows, your eyelashes. I think they look okay. Yeah. Okay, they're not twins, but they're sisters. Yeah. Because this eyebrow is normally bigger than this, so there's like a difference. If you know what I'm saying. And that's it, guys. That's it for my eyebrow tutorial. Yeah, I can say I'm okay. I look okay. Yeah, I have tried. So yeah, guys, that's how things are. So please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video, and watch my previous videos. And yeah, it helps my channel so much. And I'll see you in my next video. So stay safe and I love you all. Bye.